When we previously discussed the playing field, the one thing that we left out is these things, the things that we're trying to knock over.
Right, so here we have a bowling pin. They weigh anywhere between just under 4 pounds, I guess we would say, and they can bring you great joy or an amazing amount of frustration.
Yeah, when you get them all knocked down, it can bring a lot of joy, but there's always a pin or two that's going to be left there. But if you stop and think about it for a minute, how many of them we have? We have 10 of them, and just under 4 pounds. You're trying to knock down 40 pounds of weight that's just standing there at the end of 60 feet. So it's going to take some energy to knock them over.
Well, at least they give you 2 tries at it.
Yes. Now, the one that's closest to you is what we call the head pin or the number 1 pin. Now, what is the pocket? We hear that term all the time. What is the pocket?
Well, if you're right-handed, it is the space between the head pin, so the 1 pin and the 3 pin. And if you are left-handed, it is, again, that space again between the 1 and the 2 pin.
So it's going to be the ones closest to you, and if you're right-handed, the pin to the right, and if you're left-handed, pin to the left. That's generally where you have your best success to knocking all these 10 overs. That's where you want to be shooting your first shot.
Right, so you think about a lot of times when I watch beginner bowlers, they want to throw the ball just dead straight down the middle of the lane and they aim towards the head pin. And it really isn't going to give you your best chance to strike. You really want to create some angle like we talked about earlier by moving your feet either a little more to the right or a little more to the left if you're left-handed to give you that good angle to the pocket to get the most, I guess, pin carry or pin action.
And we number them by the head pin being number 1, number 2 being the pin to the left of the head pin, the 3 being the pin to the right. Next row across we go the 4 pin, the 5 pin, which is right behind the head pin, and the 6 pin. And then we have the back row, the 7, 8, 9, and 10. And the key is knocking, like you said, all of them over in 1 or 2 shots.